Well, it's Sunday morning. It's raining outside, and I'm in here probably doing one of the worst things you could do inside. Yeah, I'm eating. I bought a bag of these. Probably one of the worst things a fat ass like myself could be doing. Sitting in here eating little mini Snickers bars. But anyway, that's not the reason why I'm videotaping this. I just wanted to give you a little heads up that I'm going to do a little short live session this Friday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Or this coming Friday, rather. So if you get a chance to stop by, please do. And I just want to do about 15, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes maybe. I don't want to go too long. Give you guys a chance to mingle around and talk. And of course I'll be drinking some bourbon, but maybe some new ones will come by. So stop by. See ya.